naga benta bandang kham penjanai shushu barban ai ka jing shakri ga ba khamphai eki pai ba gi ba pang gi ba shitom ha ka thain ripoi borok away henen ka sngi layo ban pelai pai ba no eki khandai Tylli ki ambulance barkan thup south Tylli ki supervisory vehicle shaka health department yakani ka scheme la ai patpan mang pisa da ka Niti Ayog ka bade jong ka sarkar India baga jingmu ban ai kini ki kali ka long khnang ban la ban ai ka jing shakri ka ba khambha shushu naga mentai ki pai ba jong ka thain ki ba pang ki ba shitom yakani ka scheme la pan mang kerpang naga mentai ki tu ki district ki badon ha ka thup bar ki bala tep kom ki aspirational district komban shupin kan mau ha ka ri India ki ladon kom ba shispa khatsan Tylli ki district ki bala tep kom ki aspirational district bat na kini ki khatsan Tylli ki district ka ri Bhoi ka de ka way ka bala itho da ka sarkar India kom ka aspirational district yakini ki ambulance bat ki supervisory vehicle lapan lai pe ba da ki saungot ki MLA ki bakan thop yo MLA ka nongpo constituency ba Meral Bonds MLA ka Umsning constituency ba Jason Maulong MLA ka Umroy constituency ba George Lingdo MLA ka Jirang constituency ba Sosthenus Sotun bat arngut ki MDC jong ka thain uba Balaji Rani MDC ka nongpo constituency uba Victor Rani MDC ka Jirang constituency bat haringkat i deputy commissioner jong ka Bhoi district ikong RM kurba nang tau DMNHO jong ka Bhoi district u Dr M Mauri yakani lai sakhi langro deki officer jong ka DRDA department konthop yo project director jong ka DRDA ba BJ Kharshanti uba Matthew Makado uba longkom project economy jong ka DRDA bat ki ki officer bat ki staff jong ka department bat kumju ru ki doctors bat ki staff jong ka health department
the opportunity to serve the people and what at this particular moment serving the people through reaching out to them in the way that we really need the facilities, which was a major gap in performing of our duties. As you all know, Bante had just mentioned that Bhoi being an aspirational district, last year we had been the stood first in infrastructure, and for which the district received 3 crores rupees. And with that award money, we had proposed to purchase ambulance, boleros for provision of the health sector, and also for providing water facility to certain schools. Now, that area has been covered, and it took us some time for these vehicles to be delivered to our district because of the pandemic. It should have been from last year, but somehow things didn't work out as per our plans. But we are very grateful because at this moment we received the vehicles at the right time. As you know, the number of cases are rising day by day. And as I'm speaking, we have to close down a few health centers just now because of the positive cases that are coming up. So therefore, the facilities which we are going to launch today will really help the people in ensuring them the the facility of bringing them to the nearest health center from wherever they are.
Sinamaraja Khatra, Kasni Kaba, His Excellency Governor of Meghalaya, Sri Lanka Prasad Iwan Hangi, in long review meeting Hangi, Hakaba Pentip, Ba Bhoi district, Karigaway Naki district, Kibala Sajid Kum Aspirational district, at the Snap. Ilan Sispa San League district, Kibala Sajid, Aspirational district, Agari Dia Bhoi. But Bhoi Jumi gari gaway ni kita, but hagatlu kapor marsin yosno impactive ki facilities ki bangila banyo da kaba ila la ban penrung ya ke district ki Jumi kum ka aspirational district ha negari ki Jumi kat panangya kisni nilanang ki sektor repair ada ko ki khya ka pule ka puthi social welfare undi department ni dan simun ki facilities kiba niyo thambun ban ye ki wei district dan ki department di long atpar ki wei dan rei da ka ba lariga ki kum ka aspirational district i dan ki extra facilities ke niyo na central government but nila sakhi ye kini ha ka bai dei bat ka development hagi di sektor berfer kadon ka special preference ke bangila benyo anong ba CSR project anong ba di corporate house berfer buat ka distrik demi kelayo ajuman proshibon gini hagi penta berfer health sector kelayo education kelayo buat kiwi buat isong komen padang ni syakmat ro kinang lapan yo kajingwan jong ka jal jiban mission lembaga PHE department buat ka special preference na kaliang ka sorkar kemi ya ka distrik ke Jungiru kadang ka target ke bakum ke PHE department ke haban achieve buat ka special consideration lembaga funding ke ka tayo ke di ke jingku ya ke distrik ke Jungi buat kiwi ke department kubju ka health department ke bangi ya lumlang mana kesini naga mentaban pelaj ba aya kini ki kendai deli ki ambulans buat kitu ki bolero buat padan kam kalian ke health department kalau sisa ke jingkerku na ya ka distrik ke jing barok ko ban ingin skam baga health department apa ke jing alam jong i dia MNHO Dr. Mauri kila ban menteri kam hok dia ki kila ban ai seki PHC bat ki CSC sapo ka distrik ke jing kalau sisa ke jingkerku mar bengisyam ban ilah ke jing duna jing ambulans sapo ka distrik ke jing ka civil hospital nongpo ausnam arjar kat pra once upon a time ba umdan ambulans kawai ka marutivan ka ambulans jonga bangatit dalade na IT ka civil hospital ka support bakin ran ya IT ka civil hospital na kumtaban kadari kinongpa hadin gatu Ayog ambulans buat menadang sien rodang yok sagawi tulung ba ka CSR project parang scam gani jing lanang yok ni ter hamtam hangni apa civil hospital kanong sia ga jing kubat kiwi de ki PSC ki badan sia ki snong ba per apa kari Bhoi wi jongi kan long gajing kerku bat ngangi scam ba kan ni gajing pelaj di ambulans kari kesni kan long gajing mentoy bat ni ai khole kerpang ya ke central government lembaga Niti Ayog di bala ai sobha ini kali ni semua mungkin kopir yang ya i deputy commissioner jongi bat kan tim de jong baro ba we wish you all the best bagi ki baro ki initiative ki jing persang di jong kin long gi bajau bat ni ngets kam bagi wi de ki project ki jing persang ki jong pi kamtam ke health sector dang la ban kentiu sa fran sakmat na kaliang ke sorkar jelaru lembaga funding lembaga World Bank bagi layo recently gitu ke first comment ke belah pelaj ni urusan kururi wala sanction ni scam bakal long ngejingarap ya ki CSC jungi naga petagi jindon kam ki babun ki infrastructure ki bagi don kam ki ba apo hospital na kam ta penjana susu ya ki lat jing sumar apo ki hospital ki jemi de ki scam ki de ki project ki bagi nangdon apo kan ke Bhoi district ke ki jemi ki pending project ro na request ADC bagi ke health department ban follow up accordingly kenang ba ki tu ki badang sa akum ka trauma center kadang sa ke MCH hospital hang tiang sening ki badang ya cekmat kiwi di hospital ki berang don ki bagi nang hab ban udin kenang bagi nang la banang kampen ba susu ya gila jing sumar apo ka distrik ka i jungi ingin skam badan sian nang yo ban inaugurate ya ka blood bank nang ba hek kum honorable head minister ka long sisya ke jingaram ya ka ne ka Tylli Bhoi ka i jungi pat ingin skam ba kiwi de ki jing don kam da ke initiative na kaliang jong ka health department na ke jing trailang jing nang baro bat kumunong nikmat ngasngo bangin ai ka jing trailang bat hi ka timwo ka jungi hari Bhoi ngidan sanmut ki MLA sanmut ki MDC nga ngets kam pada ka jing trailang ni kinong nikmat ka jing trailang jong i deputy commissioner jong ki officer repair ka sur jong ki sanmut ki MLA sanmut MDC ki long shipongun ngambaka awan ong bakan kniu ka sekretariat lada shipongut kinong nikmat kini yang ka we ka sur ban yakun na ka banta ki development na ka banta ka roi ka pa apo kan ni ka Tylli Bhoi ka ki jumi please
nama yala diru nama apa hapo umsling hapo ka CHC kadon ka ambulance pada kalau ka ambulance ko before nama lebih baik ka condition jong ka bapin repair lu mlaksho ti kalau ga igay ba nakani ka fund giyo na po Niti Ayog bangilala ba the chief ka target jong po district pagungilong ka ta special district jing tray jong pi baru kan do EDC ka team jong pi baru kan iyo kani ka fund kum kata ka reward bangangit ba kani ka reward ba ngindai bangin syo sokon no tamang ne na mapisu to hi ba ka pertay man ta hindi ta hangya district baru ko way ninang yakun unit yang jingpang Uknyang jumpang buang ba, mengami ida khmat, baru kursta. Bananget kani ka jinget tray lang, kung mo iba ngaran mana ong ba, sanmut kiam ale bat sanmut kiam disi. At try ningidon kata kaway ka common goal, katapong Bhoi ka district, borok kiliang na try na kaway ka sur, nilapan na chief, ya kanukuno, kabawadon na kapachungi. Barangay ba, hindi ito kiniki ambulance ba can serve kini purpose during this pandemic time. Barangay kiniki ambulance can serve hadin habot. Ang takipad ba, yung pang-gustam, maganda pa magkit, naway tsakas ko tsaka. Barangay ko, nakaliang siya kung taon ng mikmat, niya lang ikamon ka diyang district administration yung Borokaway. Ba, masuto ba, kung kani ka district ngidon ta, napipit, kinangbuan kita ki target mengina tangkap mengina chief. Barangay ba hindi ba isu huntang ming layo kita di blood bank, trauma center. Mengina company balong with full fledged na mga sutu adu menta trauma center balong full fledged. Di kadon po umsingru kati yung maternity hospital. Katu kadon under progress. Di kita ba baru kay kalong full fledged pakan serve di bahi di public kita macam di Bhoi ya Bhoi. Bada kalian jongahi munong ikpala umsing sa isin na siya ay kublay kulum na mar. Ide program berlipat nak try nilai buat jentran kinjat di Borokan. Pangangai bakal dikasih jom jenjok jom family Bhoi Borokawai. Banginangnya persang, banginangnya try kamha yang disahman.
As representative of Umroi constituency, I would like to especially thank Madam DC and the health department for the ambulances that are going to be released for Barumbong CHC and Kerdem PHC. Just recently, I had been informed that the ambulance there in Barumbong CHC was not up to the mark and had been sent to the garage many times. So this has come at a very opportune moment for us, and it is a blessing for the people. So on behalf of the people of Umroi constituency, on behalf of the people of the district, I'd like to thank you, Madam, for your leadership, and also for the Health Department for its continuous efforts. To hear that we have received the award sounds very simple, but then the continuous and daily effort that has been put in to ensure that the data, the reports, and also efforts in the field, they come together and put before the Niti Ayog is something that is tremendous. And to stand tall amongst all the 150 districts in this entire country is an achievement in itself. I therefore congratulate the district, and on behalf of the people, would like to urge the district that this milestone that you have reached, maybe there are many more milestones ahead for us and for the people.
Kumu Emily jangka tenjirang konferensi ngasukmen ang tegopor agjing siya nglamut banbu additional na kaling jonga ning ba ka SRWP ya ki ambulance ning ngasukmen magpipau ni kopor na kaling DC na kaling ka health department ba ilayo ban perkhat ka pang ban ai ki ambulance ki ba kampa na ka banta ki PHC ki CHC